Hi guys, this is Evie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review and unbox for you the Hermes Mini Kelly in color CRAIE or chalk, and the material is Epsom leather. Thanks to Babala, which kindly was sending me this beautiful little bag so I can share with you my honest opinion. And if you're interested about the contact details of Babala, you will find on my description box and on my comment section. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing, guys. So this is the beautiful Hermes Paris box. As you see, it came beautifully packed and wrapped. So you find this beautiful ribbon that says Hermes. So now I'm just proceeding to remove this so you can see the quality of this bag. As you see, the box is gorgeous, guys. So once we open this, you find that it comes very well covered in this beautiful Hermes Paris paper. So now I'm just removing this, guys, and we find this little Hermes envelope where on the inside we can see some Hermes receipts. So now let me put this back in here. And what else we find? We find also the Hermes Paris authenticity card, which is nice. So I will put this on a side. And I'm just removing this box. Okay, and here we have our beautiful little bag that comes with this dust bag that says Hermes. So let me start removing the bag from here. But let me tell you guys that the quality of this dust bag is impressive. Very luxurious, as you see, and durable. Okay, and here it is, our beautiful Mini Kelly in Epsom leather. The color is CRAIE, and as you see, it has these little feet which are fully covered in these silicone caps, which I'm removing now. And as you see, the hardware color is so beautiful. I really love this gold tone. And what else? Here you see how it comes very well protected, the hardware. So let me start removing these plastic wraps from the hardware so I can show you more in detail how amazing this gold tone is. So this is the first part that I just removed from the hardware. Very shiny and gorgeous. Let me continue removing more of these plastic wraps so you can see. And once I remove these here, you can see that it says here Hermes Paris. Very gorgeous, guys. Wow, so luxurious. And this is such a gorgeous, beautiful gold tone. I'm so impressed about the quality of this little bag. And this leather is so amazing, guys. So yeah, I just finished removing from here the plastic wraps. So you see the lock is so gorgeous. Wow, I'm so speechless, guys. I'm so in love with this little bag. Let me just lock it here so I can show you more details. As you see, this is the handle. The glazing looks gorgeous around the handle. Very well made. And the stitching is so perfect around the handle, as you see. Very well made. And here you have these little attachments where you put here the straps. So I will show you that later, how you attach them. But as you see, this is such an amazing bag. Every detail is spot on, and the material feels durable and thick. So now I'm going to open this little bag so I can show you how it looks on the inside. Okay, so once I open this, you can see that it comes very well protected here with this little fabric. So I'm removing this, and here you can see that the hardware is very well protected. So I continue removing these plastic wraps. Okay, and here you see how it looks on the inside, the hardware, very beautiful. And here it says Hermes Paris, made in France. The stitching is perfect, as you see around it. Wow, so gorgeous. Everything is very well protected, guys, as you see. So you get the whole experience with this little bag, and the quality is so amazing, as you see. Okay, and now let's see what we have on the inside. We find the strap that I will show you how to attach it to the bag. And well, this is a strap that is so gorgeous. It has the gold tone on the hardware, as you see, and it says on it Hermes. Very gorgeous, guys. It feels sturdy and heavy to the touch, and the strap feels thick and durable, guys. It's not flimsy at all, which is good. The glazing is very spot on. Every detail on this strap is amazing. So what else we have? That's it. This is the little compartment that you find here, this little pocket on the inside. But yeah, just to carry all your basic essentials on it. I would say that probably you can fit in there your iPhone or your mobile phone and some other little things, but it's just perfect. It's such a cutie, guys. I'm in love, and the color matches any outfit. Very gorgeous. It's the perfect bag for the summer season, and you will feel so stylish and classy and so trendy. Guys, let me tell you that I cannot wait to start wearing this beauty, because I feel that for me it's just enough to carry my little things. So gorgeous. I'm so in love. I never thought that I would like this tiny bag so much, guys. And here we have the strap, so I will show you how you attach it. It's very easy. You just attach it to the sides of the handle, as you see here. Oh my gosh, it feels so sturdy, honestly. Look at this. So you can style it with the strap hanging like this, or on your shoulders, you know. So she is perfect. So gorgeous. Look at her, guys. The more I watch her, the more I am getting in love with this beauty, honestly. So I want to thank so much to Babala company for sending me this beauty. As always, you will find the details of Babala on my comment section and on my description box, guys. But well, as you see, the quality is amazing of this little bag, and I'm so happy with it. So guys, this was my unboxing and honest review about this little bag, and I will be here always showing you the best products that I receive from these amazing companies. So yeah, so we come to the end of the video, and I will see you next time on another luxury unboxing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.